Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI, and it's been a little while, but I'm back. Took a few days off, if you haven't noticed. Been hanging out on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Make sure you're if you love Paribus, make sure you're in the Telegram channels. The Discord is out there. I'll put links in the description. Need to update my description for Paribus, but we're going to be taking a look at price action in this video. We're down a decent amount. Like I said, we've been in this downtrend for a little while here. And there's opportunities with big giant, dips like this that hopefully you've taken advantage of. I've been taking advantage of them. I didn't want to touch anything until my buy zone. Where's my buy zone? My buy zone was this red box. And like I said, I'm going to leave my lines there just to see what happens. But where I was wrong was the upswings. I was expecting to get some bounces that just didn't really happen. Trading has been really flat and sideways. I was hoping to get some orders, some sell orders knocked out in this downtrend bounce, but things weren't coming back up. They were just kind of staying flat. The weird thing that I noticed is that these lined up like crazy accurate. So are we headed down here? I think so. If things stay the way they are, if the news stays the way it is, there's a lot of FUD out there. We're just waiting for a few different catalysts to happen. Again, the relaunch on mainnet of the application, open source. We're waiting for that. We're waiting for more talks about features, V2, because we're going to relaunch V1 pretty soon here, but V2 should pack some new features. We're looking for information on a governance model. I feel like those things are going to change the game and give us a little bit of catalyst here. So let's go ahead and look. Blow this up full screen here. What am I looking at? I feel like we're still in a downtrend, but we have an opportunity to take out some sell orders if we're buying. What am I looking at ultimately? A return to our recent high at some point in the near future, and what that looks like if we can accumulate 500,000 PBX tokens. And I know a lot of people are going to look at that and say, "Man, that's nothing. That's not a lot of money." But we're talking about the average Joe, the everyday wannabe trader. That's our perspective. All of you whales and all you guys that are putting in, ridiculous amounts of money into crypto, this might not be for you. This is for my regular people. This is for onboarders, people looking at the crypto industry as a rookie or an outsider. So what is the potential here with this small goal? This is a recent high. This isn't the all-time high. We're not talking about 1, 2, 3, and 4 cents here. We're talking about realistic moves within this time frame. A recent high of 0.0029 is a realistic expectation in the shorter term. And if we can get some kind of catalyst, if we can get some inflow of investment on this project, we could see some pretty amazing profit opportunities. Like I said, if we can accumulate 500,000 tokens at these prices right now, today at 11, you're looking at $558 in value, going to about $1,500. So that's a lot of money. That is a lot. That is a low risk, big opportunity play there. And if you're already in Paribus and you like Paribus, this is good. This makes you feel good. So what are we looking at as far as the chart goes? This is what I'm talking about. This green box here, getting to this green box, it's doable. It's happened. I think we'll get back there. But right now, it's kind of hard to see. Looking at the daily chart here, it looks like we're just going to be trending down to the 8s, back to these like ICO prices, But this is what we wanted, right? We've talked about this price since the beginning when we were at 3 and 4 cents. We were talking about that ICO price. When are we going to get back there? Well, it's come back. Look how short of a period we spent under that. Man, what days for people that were bullish on Paribus down here. I'm sure you're already rewarded. You're way in profit. But we're looking for that again. We're looking for those opportunities, those bottom opportunities. And I think we've got it in the short term. I'm not saying go all in. We're going straight to the moon after this. There's more down potential here. So again, like I said, I was going to sit on my hands until we're here or we're here. So 8 and 16, I'm chilling until we hit there. I may in the next DCA, if our prices are still down here, I may pick up some more, give us a little boost, and continue trading. I'm not going to hold that. I'm going to trade that once we start, moving back up. Definitely going to trade moving forward with that. I have the tokens that I want to have, and we're just going to try to add to that using these really, really low prices right now. So that is my goal. That is what I see. We're waiting for some type of news event to sell at these sell orders that I put in before. Maybe thinking about adjusting one of them. But I'm sitting on my hands, which is why I haven't really been making daily videos. I feel like we're headed down. I feel like we'll bounce off of here for sure if we get there in the next weeks, which is possible. But we'll see. We'll see what the project does. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on the news, what's changing. If there's any announcements, definitely we'll be talking about those. There was a podcast I think Dennis did. I should do a video talking about that, highlighting that. That is a little bit more exciting. So make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.